Kingston, Daddy's frozen.
I saw that, Dad. He's frozen. You don't go get
He
him.
is frozen.
Was he frozen? Was he frozen?
You gonna touch the ceiling? You gonna touch the ceiling?
Yeah, you were way up there. You're like an eagle.
Get him to talk.
Tell him about being frozen. That's when it gets
Hey,
going.
tell me, was I frozen? Was Daddy frozen? What was I doing? Tell me. Really?
You
You tell me in your deep voice too?
He was sitting there, Daddy.
I came in there and you came out and I was frozen. I scared you.
And you were spinning around like that? And you come out and Daddy's frozen? Uh-oh.
I think Daddy's frozen right now. I think he froze.
Oh, shut this door. He's getting freaked out. Dada's frozen. He's frozen.
Kingston, close your eyes.
Just sit here and wait for my face.
What happened? Dad was frozen? Oh my god. He's just gonna come out
you little
beating.
cheeser.